Hi, this short video is about concept and emotion. Basically, no concept, no emotion. So the concepts that we have basically come from our perceptions, and our perceptions basically come from our sensations. So we have thousands, literally thousands of concepts floating around in our head. And basically the way we notice or find or discover the concepts that we have is by living daily life. The various events of life, the things that happen to us, what people say, what people do, all of those things can clash, challenge and conflict with the concepts that we have. Expectations, ideas, plans, patterns, should be, should not, etc. are all our concepts. So basically concepts turn into beliefs, and beliefs are based upon logic. We can only believe in something or accept something if it is logical, if it makes sense. And that's what really gives concepts a lot of power within our system, within our mind, within our emotion, or within our psychology. So the more sense they make, the stronger we believe in them, and the stronger those concepts are. And therefore the greater the conflict there can be within us when we face things in life that don't agree or don't unfold according to those concepts. But at the end of the day, the most important thing to remember about concepts is that we can never guarantee that a concept is the same or equal to reality. That's why all these painful things or annoying or tiresome things, tedious things happen in life. Because life is reality, the moment is reality. And reality is showing us that our concepts are not quite right. So our whole life is really a process of adjusting, moulding, dissolving actually those concepts, and to ever more, day by day, moment by moment, embrace reality. So the main point of this video that I want to address now is that concepts become emotions. So all the emotions that we have are due to a concept. So behind every emotion is some concept. It's quite difficult to find at times, but if we look subtly, very carefully, we'll find the underlying concept, the underlying belief. Sometimes that belief may be buried deep within our mind, in the subconscious. And so we need to be rather persistent, patient, always using concentration, focus, very refined, very subtle, just trying to pick up the hint of a certain flavour that the concept produces from within our subconscious. So it does take time. We have to be very patient there to discover what the full length of the concept is within our subconscious. But oftentimes, it's in the surface of our mind, so we can see it quite easily. So emotions are really like the emotional octave or emotional quality, the emotional side, the emotional unfolding of a concept. So the concept, as we know, is something mental, something in our intellectual centre, within our intellectual functions. But the emotions are really like are a derivation or an extension or an unfoldment of that concept. So then later those emotions become actions. So really we carry out in the end, thanks to our emotions, the concepts. We always act according to our concepts. Okay, so just the last thing to say before concluding and finishing this video is that the more observant we are in life, the more we can notice our concepts, and the more we can come to understand our emotions. And when we understand our emotions, we can control our emotions. But reality is never as bad as we think it is. When we start to embrace reality, of course, our concepts start to crumble and dissolve, and then we experience a whole new set of emotions. I would say less of the inferior emotions and more of the superior, free, accepting, neutral, positive, enthusiastic emotions. Okay, so I hope this video has been useful just to explain to you the origin of our emotions, or one side or one aspect of the origin of our emotions. Okay, thanks for watching.